Today we are going to study about the fishes or Pisces. In this we are going to study about the general characters and the classification. First one is the general characters. All these animals are cold-blooded vertebrates. म्हणजे ही सर्व प्राणी थंड रक्ताचे आहेत. Body is streamlined with well developed musculature. Streamlined म्हणजे काय? निमुळतं. Then paired and unpaired fins. That is, with the help of fins, the movement of the fishes takes place. Gills are the organs of respiration. No doubt, the fishes live in the water, so the respiration takes place with the help of gills. Dermal scales for the exoskeleton. म्हणजे माशांच्या शरीरावरती जी स्केल्स आहेत, that is the dermal scales. They form the exoskeleton. Fins are supported by fin rays. That is, fin rays support the fins. Head shows the presence of eyes, nostrils, and ears as the sense organs. Mouth has true jaws with teeth. That means there are two jaws, upper and lower. They are with teeth. Then lateral line system of receptors is present. Internal ear has 3 semicircular canals. Bony or cartilaginous endoskeleton supports the body. म्हणजे ह्याच्या बॉडीमध्ये एंडोस्केलेटन आहे. कशापासून तयार केलेलं आहे? दॅट इज बोनी ऑर कार्टिलेजिनस मटेरियल. Heart is two-chambered and shows single circulation. Ribs are present. In adult, kidney is mesonephric. There are 3 types: pronephric, mesonephric, and metanephric. In these, the kidney is mesonephric. Sexes are separate, and some males have copulatory organs. Fertilization is external. That means the fertilization takes place outside the body. Development is direct. Migration and parental care seen in some fishes. Then we will see the classification of Pisces. That is, the superclass Pisces can be divided into 2 classes. First one is the Chondristhys and second one is the Ostisthyes. The Chondristhys is also called as the Elasmobranchi, and Ostisthyes are also called as the Teleostomi. The examples, that is the cartilaginous fishes, and this includes the bony fishes. Now first we see about the class Chondristhys. This class Chondristhys can be divided into 2 subclasses. First one is the Selaci and second one is the Bradyodonti. Further, this subclass Selaci can be divided into 2 orders. First one is the Pleurotremata and second one is the Hypotremata. The example of Pleurotremata are the sharks, while the example of the Hypotremata are sawfish, skates, and rays. That is about the Selaci. Now the second subclass of the Chondristhys is the Bradyodonti. So this Bradyodonti have only one order, that is the holocephaly. The example is chimera or chimera. Now we see the class first, that is the chondrichthyes. We see about the salient features of class chondrichthyes. These are cartilaginous fishes. That means the endoskeleton is made up of the cartilaginous material. Second, all these are having microscopic placoid scales on the body. Mouth is present on the ventral side. Teeth with enamel caps, that is, the teeth have the covering, that is the cap of the enamel. 5 pairs of gill slits are present, that is for the respiration with the help of the gills. Tail is heterocercal or asymmetrical. That means it is the asymmetrical tail. Males have claspers, that is, these are useful for the copulation during the it is mating purpose. Air bladder and operculum are absent. Spiracles are present. Heart is two-chambered. About 5 to 7 pairs of aortic arches are present. That is concerning with the circulatory system. Intestine has scroll hole. Then testes are connected with pronephros. These are oviparous or ovoviviparous. That means they lay eggs or they may give birth directly to the young ones. Eggs are large with much yolk. That is, this yolk is useful for feeding the young ones. Fertilization is internal. That is, after formation of the zygote, it develops inside the body. Cecum and cloaca are present. So this class chondrichthyes is divided into two subclasses, that is Selaceae and Bradyodonti. So first we see about the subclass Selaceae. We see the salient features of the subclass Selaceae. Mostly all these are marine forms. Gills in separate gill clefts. Cloaca is present and spiracles behind each eye. This subclass Selaceae is further divided into two orders, that is Pleurotremata and second one is the Hypotremata. So first we see about the order Pleurotremata. We see the salient features of order Pleurotremata. The body is streamlined with heterocercal tail. About 5 to 7 pairs of lateral gill slits. Then pectoral fin moderate and constricted at base. Example, sharks, scoliodon, then hammer-headed shark. Then order 2, that is Hypotremata. The salient features: dorsoventrally flattened body, then 5 pairs of gill slits on ventral side, Then pectoral fins are enlarged, spiracles are functional, and the examples stingray, common ray, electric ray, and sawfish. You see the examples, that is pristis, or it is also called as the sawfish. म्हणजे त्यांचं जी तोंड आहे ती करवतीसारखी दात्री आहे, सो इट इज कॉल्ड sawfish. Then ट्रायगॉन or स्टिंगरे, ह्याला बॉडीमध्ये एक या साईडला स्टिंग आहे, काटा आहे मोठा, दॅट इज दी पॉइजनस. Then torpedo, or it is also called as the electric ray. ह्या फिशच्या भोवती एक करंट तयार झालेला असतो. दुसरी मासे किंवा त्याची जी भक्ष्य आहेत त्याच्या सानिध्यात आल्यानंतर त्या प्राण्यांना शॉक बसतोय आणि ती बेशुद्ध होते, त्यानंतर हा त्या माशांना खातोय. देन दी सब क्लास सेकंड, that is Bradyodonte, or this subclass is also named as Holocephali because this subclass have only one order, that is Holocephali. So in this the teeth are of crushing type, that is the crushing type of dentition. Then order Holocephali, the silent features spiracle and cloaca absent, operculum present. Then first dorsal fin with a strong spine, whip-like slender tail. Whip-like means चाबकासारखं त्याचं टेल आहे. Adults have no scales. Adult मध्ये किंवा बॉडीच्या वरती स्केल्स नाही आहेत. एक्झाम्पल चायमेरा, और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज दी रॅटफिश. यू सी दी figure of ratfish. You see there is presence of first dorsal fin and this one is the second.